Hey everyone, it's Jared with Heat Press Nation. You may have considered whether or not it's possible to customize those plain or colored mugs from the dollar store. While you won't be able to do so with sublimation, it's indeed possible with the Magic Touch CPM 6.2 transfer paper. In this video, I'll be guiding you through how this material can be used to bring full color images to a colored mug printed with a Creo white toner printer. So stick around as we'll customize this. Now, if you enjoy this video or find it to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. But to catch the latest tutorials and live episodes from Heat Press Nation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell. All right, let's get started. The potential applications for white toner systems only grow with the Magic Touch CPM 6.2 paper. As a one-step material designed for smooth, solid surfaces, you can apply images printed onto it with a wide variety of items, like aluminum sports bottles, wood panels, and ceramic drinkware. Best of all, the Magic Touch CPM is capable of self-weeding any transparent image or graphic, leaving any inner white portions of an image to stay intact when printed and applied. Due to the versatile nature of this material, you'll be able to easily apply it onto virtually any ceramic drinkware. If you've previously tried to customize a ceramic mug from the dollar store, you'll know that sublimation transfers are a no-go due to the lack of a sublimation coating. The Magic Touch CPM will be a great alternative to a sublimation transfer in this case, as it can bring a full color image onto plain and colored mugs, even going as far as maintaining the image's true whites. But to start this project off, you'll need to prepare your design within the size of your mug through graphic design or photo editing software, using 300 dpi as the document's minimum resolution. If you're customizing 11-ounce mugs, feel free to use the template linked in the description below. While they're for 11-ounce sublimation mugs, these items are built with a similar, if not the same molding, that allows transfers at a certain imprint size to fit equally well on any other mug. For a quick demonstration, we'll only be applying 2 square fitted graphics on the left and right sides of a mug. You can refer to our Sublimation Templates webinar to learn how to precisely center images on opposite sides of a mug. But once your mug design is ready, print it through your white toner printer. Since we'll be using a Creo 8432WDT printer for this video, our design will need to be exported as either a transparent PNG image or SVG vector file to import onto Digital Factory. While Forever Dark is designed for Forever Laser paper, we can use this print mode and set the paper size to A4. With your design imported, go to its properties to disable ink removal and boost its underbase to where the design is fully opaque. To preview your results, hit Rip Only on your image, then View Raw Data. You may notice that the design looks dotted close up, though it will appear normal when printed. But if the design looks ready, go ahead and print it through your machine. After the transfer has been printed, trim around the design with a decent chunk of space for peeling. Then wrap and heat tape it onto a mug as you would with the sublimation transfer. As you heat tape it, be sure to use small strips that avoid contact with the printed design. Turn on your mug press and set it to 180 seconds at 320 degrees Fahrenheit with firm pressure. As soon as the machine reaches temperature, you may go ahead and press your mug. We should note that the time may vary depending on the type of drinkware you're applying CPM onto. Whether it's an aluminum water bottle, ceramic mug, or metal tumbler, you'll either need to decrease or increase your time accordingly to let the transfer fully apply. After 180 seconds, open your mug press and take the mug out to reach warm heat. Once it's warm, you may smoothly peel your CPM transfer off, and it's now customized a regular mug into something special. If you'd like to share your decked out mugs with us alongside a growing community of customization enthusiasts, feel free to join our Heat Press Nation Creators Facebook group at heat.press/FB group. To learn more about the Magic Touch transfer papers and white toner printing, please visit us at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, you can get in touch with the MyExpert representative at heat.press/support. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.